Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best iCaution script special for you. And if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel, okay? And if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it, okay? And if you not join best forex and binary broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. So let's start trading with this indicator, okay? And this is the indicator. When indicator signal by up, you can trade by up for 2 minutes, okay? And when this indicator signal very strongly, okay, and 100% non-repeated, okay, here is a buy signal. I have placed it with 2 minutes for buy signal, okay, no problem. Okay, sorry, here is a I have placed 3 minutes, no problem. Okay, 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 let's see the result, okay? This indicator is a very good indicator, 100% non-repeat indicator, okay. I have placed it for here, but some rejection is here. Here is a strong seller's momentum, okay, no problem. I have covered this loss, okay. Let's see how much I profit today, okay? Here is I have placed very good trade, okay. Some rejection is here, okay, but I have profit 5. Oh no, shit, okay, no problem. I have lost this trade. Here is a, and here is a, okay, and here is the market going up. I have profit, I have loss, and I have profit, okay, no problem. I have forget for I have placed for wrong place trade, okay. I have placed wrong trade, okay, for 1 minute, okay. Here is a some rejection, buyer's rejection, okay, okay. Okay, as you can see, market going up. I have placed it my all balance, okay. Let's see how much I profit, okay. As you can see, market going up. I have profit $3,000 if I profit, okay, no problem, okay, profit 100% profit is a very good indicator. As you can see, market is indicator signal by up and market going up, okay. Live trade, okay. I have lose this trade because this is a I have placed wrong trade for 1 minute, okay, no problem. I have covered my all loss, okay. Here is a good rejection, okay. I have placed $200 for up, very good trade. If you download this indicator, link in my description box, simply click and download it, okay. Please subscribe my channel, okay. Okay, 7 5 4 3 2 1 and boom, profit, okay. Bye bye, tata, see you next video, okay.